All right, welcome back. And first of all, a huge congratulations. You've made it all the way through, and now it's time for the final debrief. This is where we're going to lock in all those critical skills you've just picked up. Think of this as the final chapter in your detective's field guide. We're not just going to skim over what you learned, we're going to pull it all together, making sure you are absolutely ready to go out and investigate your own organization's AI footprint. So, you ready? Let's jump right in. Okay, so let's kick things off right where every good investigation begins, with the fundamental framework and the really powerful query techniques that are now in your detective's toolkit. At the very heart of this whole process is this 5-phase framework. This is the bedrock. It's what elevates what you're doing from just kind of randomly searching around to conducting a real, methodical investigation. It makes sure that from start to finish, nothing important gets missed. And once you have that solid framework down, well, that's when you really dove into the art of prompt engineering. These techniques, they're like your magnifying glass and your interrogation skills all rolled into one. They let you probe and infer and uncover information that is just not sitting there on the surface. Next up, we looked at how you apply these skills out in the field, starting with a pretty unique challenge, investigating departments like HR and marketing, departments that are supposed to create public-facing content. And this brought up a super important nuance you learned. Not all exposure is bad exposure, right? The real skill, the one you practiced, is telling the difference between acceptable public data and those concerning leaks that create genuine risk. That distinction, well, it's everything. And you got hands-on practice asking just the right questions. Whether it was probing HR for salary patterns, checking marketing for strategic pivots, or looking for product weaknesses, you learned how to craft these really sharp, targeted prompts that get you meaningful answers. From there, we turned our investigation inward, into the high-stakes world of internal operations. And with departments like IT, finance, and legal, the whole game changes. Here, almost any unintentional public exposure can become a serious threat. I mean, this quote from the IT module just says it all. You saw for yourself how one seemingly harmless job posting can basically hand an adversary a detailed blueprint of your core tech infrastructure. It's kind of scary when you think about it. And the data we looked at really hammered this point home. By a huge margin, technical job postings are the #1 vector for accidental IT leaks. Right behind that are those well-meaning engineers just trying to help out on forums or share their knowledge in conference talks. And finally, we moved into the inner sanctum. We talked about protecting the absolute heart of your organization's competitive edge, all that valuable intellectual property cooking inside engineering and R&D. This is where you learn to hunt for the crown jewels. We analyzed how proprietary code can accidentally end up in public repos, how future products get leaked on roadmaps, and even how patent filings can give away strategic secrets to your competitors way too early. So you've got the skills, you've got the framework, you have the toolkit. You are now fully equipped to be an effective AI exposure detective. So the big question is, what's next? How do you take all this powerful, general knowledge and apply it to your organization's unique reality? And that really brings us to the most crucial next step. You see, this tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC was designed to offer general guidance that works for a typical organization. But of course, every single organization is unique. So, to be truly effective, to really make a difference, this entire framework has to be tailored to the specific tools, the specific processes, and the specific productivity goals that exist inside your company. It's all about moving from these general principles to targeted real-world application. For this exact reason, the most impactful training is always developed after collaborating closely with an organization to figure out its unique needs and priorities. And it's also important to note that the guidance provided here may not be applicable to your specific situation, and it's offered without any warranty, expressed or implied. So if creating that kind of organization-specific program is your next step, we really encourage you to reach out. You can get more information on how to do that by contacting Bob Slovic, the Chief Technologist at Virtualization Options LLC. His email is right there on your screen.